Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you some of the ringtones on this app called Horn and Siren Ringtones. And so number one is Air Raid 1, which is also known as a tornado siren. Next is Car Alarm 1. The Euro Siren. And down here is a selection of fire engine horns and sirens. So I'm going to show you fire engine 1, fire engine 2, fire engine 3, fire truck 1, but not fire truck 2 because I don't physically like that sound. So here we go. And here's the ringtone I mostly like of all the fire engine sirens, and that is fire engine 3, and you're going to hear it 3 times. And on page 2, this has got a selection of police horns and sirens, which I'll show you right now. And police siren 4 is a mix between the yelp and the wail siren. And police car is a yelp. And this is the police high-low. And here's the one I mostly like, Police Siren 2.